HVAC specialist, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning specialist or technician. The job prospects for heating, air conditioning, mechanics, and installers are expected to be tremendous, especially for those who have completed training from an accredited technical school or a formal apprenticeship. Technicians must be able to maintain, diagnose, and correct problems throughout the entire system. After a furnace or air conditioning unit has been installed, technicians often perform routine maintenance and repair work to keep the systems operating efficiently. Heating and air conditioning technicians and installers are adept at using a variety of tools. Today, the concern for the environment and the need to reduce energy consumption overall has prompted the development of new energy-saving heating and air conditioning systems. The emphasis on better energy management is expected to lead to the replacement of older systems and the installation of newer, more efficient systems in existing homes and buildings.
We do a lot of new construction, and so we have to design, ductwork systems and figure out, how much heating or air conditioning is needed, how much airflow is needed. All that has to be calculated, and then a duct system designed accordingly. And so I find it's a challenge. It's rarely ever boring, and so I think I like the challenge the best of all.